we're not gonna be baking now. I know you guys are like, well, bro, does the turbo burn your leg? And I'm like, bro, it's... Oh my God. Man, the turbo isn't the best thing. I'm gonna just stick with my all motor. Oh, we got rain. We got rain, y'all. What the heck? We got rain. Where did the rain come from? Now, I don't want to spin out with the rain. I'm not going to hold you. The rain literally came out of nowhere right now. What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. If you guys haven't liked the video already, man, I definitely appreciate it if you would. Give me a thumbs up. Not only that, but man, if you're just now subscribing to the channel, man, I definitely appreciate that. And if you haven't subscribed yet, you know what to do, man. Hit that subscribe button for your boy. It's time to go, yay. Alrighty, guys. So, as you guys noticed, obviously I got my camera back set up. So we should be good to go now. That one shouldn't fall or fly back no more. At least I'm hoping so. Let's keep our hopes high, man. Meanwhile, it's time to go. Yeah. You know, the giveaway is up in about 5 days, man. 5 to 6 days. So if you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win the turbo built 2024, you see how it's looking over here, man. If you're trying to slide like this, you know what time it is. Head on over to the website. And of course, y'all know we about to get a good ride in, man. I haven't got a really good ride in with you guys just yet. And if this car would get out our way, I swear we can just make this thing the best day ever. I swear. Come on, brother. Go on and go. Oh my God. Okay. Little wobbly up there. Haven't went nowhere yet, so we good to go. Now, yesterday it was pouring down rain, so we didn't get a chance to ride yesterday, but today should be a good day as well. It's not too much sun out, so we're not going to be baking now. I know you guys are like, well, bro, does the turbo burn your leg? And I'm like, bro, it's... Oh my God. Oh my Lord Jesus. Oh my God. This thing is a beast from the Middle East. Yeah, like I was saying, I know you guys are like, well, bro, does the turbo burn your leg? I'm like, bro, it feels like a regular Harley. Not gonna hold you. You would know the difference if a turbo was on here or not if I told you. But anywho, man, we got good gas in here today. I know the first ride was not the best, and I know you guys are like, man, the turbo isn't the best thing. I'm gonna just stick with my all motor. Which is cool, which is totally cool, but I'm not gonna hold you. This is the beast from the Middle East. You're not gonna get Ed sauce. The bike is already performing way better than our first ride. I'm telling you, like, we got great gas in here. I got a good idea of the turbo over here. Now, we're only making like 209 horsepower to the rear wheel right now, so it's pretty cool and it's subtle. However, I feel like we got at least a 30 more horsepower to go if we crank up the boost on this sucker, man. So definitely something we're going to be looking into in the near future here when we go back to Florida. So I can't wait, man. Y'all stay tuned. Like I said, if you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win the big boy 2024 with the turbo on the side, y'all see how we slide, man. If y'all like it and y'all want to slide too, hey, you never know, man. We might be able to pull up to your door with one of these big daddies on the back. 2024 Harley, just for you. Yes, sir. This thing is feeling like a beast. Not gonna hold you. Looking like a beast, feeling like a beast, riding like a beast, man. From the Middle East, of course. from the Middle East, of course. Oh my goodness. Yes, sir. Now, if you guys don't know what we have here, man, you guys know we have our 2024 CVO ST Road Glide. Now, this is the 25th anniversary CVO. Unfortunately, it's not the luxury CVO where you got the music in the bags and everything like that. It's actually pretty regular, so I don't know why they call it a CVO, but it's pretty cool. Now, upgrade wise, I do have a 135 kit on here with, of course, the silver turbos. Man, if you guys haven't checked out silver turbos and you guys got a new bike, what are you waiting on? Head on over there, silverturbos.com. They'll get you right. Meanwhile, oh my god, this thing is a beast, dude. 135 turbo, oozing the ahs, the lightest Harley Davidson CVO that is. So you got the best of the best. We haven't did too many other upgrades besides the motor and stuff just yet, but like I said, I'm building a couple more bikes right now, so we got a lot to do. Meanwhile, if y'all want to be the next one on this turbo Harley, man, y'all know what time it is. Head on over to the website, that'sregular.com. It's time to go yay. Now, I hope they give us a nice green with nobody in front of us so we can really open this sucker up and get it on the road, man. Let's see what we can do now. Y'all know I don't got my good tire on here just yet, so it might slide out a little bit, but let's see. Oh, we got rain. We got rain, y'all. What the heck? We got rain. Where did the rain come from? Now, I don't want to spin out with the rain. I'm not going to hold you. The rain literally came out of nowhere right now. Golly, this is insane. What the heck? Bro, what? That's that stormtrooper, man. You got the stormtrooper. This thing is bringing the heat. I'm not going to hold you. Oh my god. See, the first ride we didn't get was it wasn't the best ride. They put my stuff up here, so I went all my freaking pants up. But I ain't gonna lie, the turbo sounding good in this rain. Woo! It's like a stormtrooper coming, man. You got Big Daddy now. I'm sorry about the rain, man. It's nothing I can do about that. I swear to you, I was not expecting the rain at all. And it's funny, as soon as I cross the tracks. Slides. Sliding. 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 Golly. You can't even hit it no more in this rain, man. I'm mad about it. But it's about to be a movie, man. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel, man, y'all know where to subscribe to, man. One of the fastest Harley Davidsons on YouTube. We got it made for you right here, man. Don't worry. Woo! Yeah, you don't want to start spinning wheels at 82 miles an hour. Yeah, that's like the last thing. Oh my god. Pants is soaked already. What? Bro, how is my pants and shoes soaked? I ain't even do nothing. Golly. Well, luckily we got this turbo over here. It can help dry our pants off. It can help dry them Big Daddies off. You know what time it is, man. It's time to go yay. I'm mad. We was just about to get cracking. They knew. They was like, look, man, let's put some water on the pavement, man. Chill him out because he about to go too yay. Which is cool. I love to go less yay, but golly, man. I seen the storms, but I didn't even think they was going to hit me. If y'all like this build, man, y'all let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below, man. We are on a 121 turned into a 135 2024 CVO. Woo! Golly. I'm mad you can't even hit it. Oh my god. That thing is instantly, that back end slide out so easy, bro. Now it's no fun. We need dry ground. I need that Texas heat to come out the sky and dry up this ground for me now. You feel me? Because if I hit it, that thing slides out instantaneous. But if it's looking good, man, y'all let me know if the bike is looking real good up there, man. It's about to be a movie. Definitely appreciate each and every last one of y'all, man. We got that Big Daddy turbo on this thing. We slide all the palm trees. It's crazy out here, man. You gotta buy palm trees. In California, man, they just grow. You can dang near get them for free. But come on, brother. You got a whole van. You got a whole Big Daddy. Bro had the whole Big Daddy hitting the corner like grandma. I ain't gonna hold you. This thing sounds amazing. It feels amazing. Where that dry ground at, man? Come on. I know the rain ain't hit over here. Come on, give me some. There we go. Ooh, the rain started coming down as soon as I hit it. You see how that worked? I swear I don't like that, man. That is funny as heck. Nice bike, though. I ain't gonna lie. This thing feels like a beast. I can't wait to go to Rare Breed. Got dry ground now, y'all. See how much that thing just picks up? Uh-oh. Come on, rain, go away. Every time I hit the gas, we bring out that water. We bring out that storm every time I'm hitting the gas, bro. Literally every time I'm hitting the gas, we bringing out the storm. We see what we got. Can we boost? We can. Uh-oh. You don't want to boost too hard. You don't want to boost too hard. I'm not gonna hold you. You don't want to boost too hard. As dry as this ground look, it's definitely wet. And I'm not trying to be the one to slide a CVO ST up under one of these trucks. Yes, sir. We slide though. We are definitely sliding, man. If y'all enjoying the ride, man, give your boy a thumbs up on this ride video. We definitely got a whole lot more to come. Like I said, I got my camera set up now. I didn't want to ride, and I didn't have my setup, so I got my setup now. We should be good to go. I was going to go to bike night the other night, but it was, as you see, like it is now, raining. We got a Cybertruck in front of us. Like, I don't know if you want some smoke or not now. If it's the 1,000 horsepower Cybertruck, I literally want no smoke with that. You can't even beat that with an SVJ, man. You can't even beat that with an SVJ, so I don't want no smoke with the Cybertruck. Got the cows out there. La vaca. Boom. She's sounding good, though. Engine purring. Engine purring. Such a beast of a bike. I like it. I think you guys will enjoy it. If you guys want to enjoy something like this, man, like I say, you guys' bike is going to have the 128. Now, my buddy made 228 horsepower on 93 on a 128. Now, this is a 135 making 209, and this is with low boost. So I still got so much more boost to go. That's why when I go back to Miami, I'm going to take this bike back when we go back. And then we're going to toss everything that we got at it, man. We're going to see if we can crack 240. See if we can crack 240 on this thing, and we'll be good to go. We're gonna see what's up, man. Y'all stay tuned. If you guys haven't liked the video already, man, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. I definitely appreciate it, man. Let's see what we got. Well, I guess I will go straight. It look like we got some dry ground. That thing feel kind of scary, I ain't gonna lie. That back end just so easily slides out from under you. I'm not gonna hold you. Like, this turbo in the rain is not the best. It's like a race car on slick, like on drag wheels, drag radials. That's what it feel like right now. Oh my God, look at this street. We can haul ass down that block. is a beast, bro. Like, I'm mad this street is literally wet. This street is so long. Oh my God, we can literally open this sucker up, but ain't no use to keep going if this thing is all wet down the way. You know, it's getting darker down there. Let me see. Oh, can't do that. I can do it in the garage. I can't do it out here. That front tire not sticky enough. Yeah, this thing ain't want to do nothing but slide right now. Nothing but slide, man. That's the sucky part. I need the streets to dry up. Maybe when the streets will dry up, man, we'll get something else going. Y'all see what it is, though. We out here going yay yay. I don't even think Done by D is here. But we gonna see. Y'all stay tuned for when this sucker dries up. Y'all stay tuned for when it dry up.